Hello guys, this is a blogging free guest posting website, and this website is built by JavaScript. Next.js is a framework of JavaScript, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and Firebase. So this is a blogging website, and this is a professional blogging website, and I can explore and tell you about each and every features and functionality of this application from basic to advanced. Currently, we have 2,865 articles and 23 categories, 31 tags, and 4,470 users. The views of all articles only. The views of all articles is 17,196, and the total articles are 2,865, whereas this application, which is a BlogNetwork.live, have approximately 40 domain authority, and page authority is 22, and linked root domains is 332, and approximately 1,000 plugins. So this is a blogging professional application where we have latest blogs and category technology blogs, and you can see here we don't have blog category blogs on here because I have changed blog status to pending. You can see here we have thousands blogs, but we can change the status of all blogs, and we have declined all blogs because of not follow the policies of blog network, like 100% unique articles. Okay, so that is why these articles are not showing on website, because our website is going to down, and Google search console is not indexing our articles because of not unique articles. That is why admin did all articles to pending. So this is a category blocks, and this latest post where we have different categories, and in which if we click business and finance categories, then all articles would be visible with business and finance categories. So, and we have different tags. If we click education tag, then all articles related to education tag are showing here, and we have different categories like business and finance, technology, health and fitness, food, and so on. And this is a terms and condition privacy policy, and this is a about page. You can see and explore this also, and this is our footer, and latest post, business and finance blog, information technology blogs, health and fitness blogs, travel, and all categories blogs are showing in first page. And you can see here we have projects tab also, so where all projects like education portal, dictionary application, to do application, PCA core websites, the projects are showing here. You can just click here and explore this project also. Like this is education portal where you can write class like class 8 and enter, and you can now write any content under class 8. Like this is first class, for example, and we just click here. We can edit and delete also, and we can delete also and edit, and if we change class, then the data of class 8 is not visible under class 9. Like we click here, then write any. So this sentence write anything is under class 9, not class 8. So come back to our application and go to admin dashboard, where I can explore all things like categories. Admin can see, edit, and delete the categories, but user, which is a sub admin, cannot delete and edit category. He just view the categories. and admin can add category, so a category name, category descriptions also. Similarly for tags also, admin can add the tags and can view, delete and edit tags also. So we have different articles also. So admin and users both can add article, where user can write article title, which is maximum 60 characters, and article seller category, where all category are showing here, and text also. And user can write article text descriptions on here, and choose the uh, article also. And these are the policies. If you do not follow these instructions, then your article would not be submitted, and your article will be submitted, but it's in pending mode, not in published mode. And these are this all sub admins showing here. So now you can see here we have different blocks, and we have pagination, where each page has 10 blocks, and we have different pages in like a 287 page also. And we have categories like all blocks, pending blocks. Like in pending blocks do not have any pending block. Uh, we have pending blocks also, you can see here. And we have published blocks, and all published blocks are showing here. Here you can see all published blocks are here. And if we click decline blocks, then you can see our decline blocks are here. So this is the categories. And now I just explore and tell you about the authentications. You can just write or register, write any name like universal email, write email universal blog @gmail.com. Write password, and password must be at least 8 characters with at least one uppercase letter and one number. For example, Google Password Manager create a strong password, use strong password. Okay, so we just registered this. And now this app BlogNetwork.live sends OTP in email. So we just open the email. Here you can see Blog Network is sent OTP, and we just copy this and paste on here and verify. If this is correct, then automatically we go to dashboard, where we can see all things. Here you can see with 0 articles and 0 views, and here you can see the total articles. And it means that in sub admin dashboard, uh, this user has not articles, and if articles is 0, then views is also 0. So he just add article like just for YouTube, and write select category, select tags. Okay, and just I just copy paste this, because minimum 700 or 700 approximately words required. I am just pasting this because, as you know, that minimum 700 words are required. So let's click on here and select the image. So I just select the image and click add. So we have minimum required 800, and we have totals 270 words. So article must have at least 800. So we just click here and again publish, so that it must be at least 800 words. Are you getting my point? So now I am clicking, and you can see the article is publishing. So here this article is in pending mode, and I can you just see here this article, this image, and all things are here, but username, date, 40 minutes read. So sometimes this application has some errors because of version. So now admin has this blog also, and admin can approve this blog. You can see here, yes, you can see master blog, and you can see his profile also. So you can see here his profile, and sub admin can see his profile also, like profile thing. And this article is showing here. So now admin can approve, decline. If admin can decline, then you just write a reason for declining. I just write this. So if we select and submit and notify author, then author can see his declined reasons also, like decline article, and he just click view reason. Then content should not promote any activity that involves things such as gambling, betting, interesting, dating, etc. So you can see here admin sub admin can see the all users here. So this is our professional blogging application, where we have different categories wise articles, and we can delete also. You can see live all article, and we can delete also. So now subadmin can subadmin deleted his articles, and that articles is not would not be visible on admin's dashboard. Now you can see here. So this is our application where such article is also running. Like if I just write li, then let's see how much articles are. For example, if we click this, then only that articles is showing here. You can see, and where you can see the views also, view, edit, you can see, and add post also. And admin can see all contacts. For example, user can contact, let's suppose this is a user, okay. Then I just go to home page and click on contact, and just write anything, okay. WhatsApp number, anything, subject, and this data is showing on admin's dashboard under context page. For example, click and contact. You can see here admin can see your email, WhatsApp number, and subject and message, and admin can delete this also. So the context data will be visible under admin's dashboard under contact category. So this is our blogging application where users can post their blogs in free of cost, but user must submit 100% unique articles, and image must not contain any woman picture, and so on. So you can see this is our blogging application which is built by engineer Shoaib, and this application project is built using JavaScript, next.js, and MongoDB, Firebase, Node.js, Express.js, and use different libraries like NodeMiller and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Engineer Shoaib. Thank you so much.